2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's foreign use. It has a reverse camera right here. This car is very affordable. Contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is 2016 foreign use Toyota Tacoma 4X4, and this is the engine. It has a V6 engine. This is the interior of this car. You can see the dashboard, AC, automatic drive, the steering, the back seat. It has a sealed roof. 2016 Toyota Tacoma 4X4. It has a reverse camera. This car is very cheap. If you're interested in this car, contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is 2017 foreign use Toyota Corolla. You see the clean black color. It's fuel economical engine, 4 plugs. This is the black leather seat interior, leather dashboard, is keyless entry, reverse camera. Take a look at the back seat. Okay, and this car has a sunroof. 2016 Toyota Corolla. Yes, it has a reverse camera. This car is very cheap. Contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation if you're interested.
If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914.
This is 2008 foreign use Toyota Tacoma. This car has VVTi V6 engine. Okay, this is a brown leather seat interior. You can see this is 2008 model. You can see sound system, automatic drive. That's the back seat. This is foreign use, and it has a sealed roof. 2008 model. This car is very affordable. Contact the dealer if you're interested for more inquiries and negotiations.
My name is Mr. Boniface. Welcome to Murad Autos. If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914. 080-331-28914. You can also chat us on the same number on WhatsApp. Our address is located at number 10 Rumola Stadium Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.